Holy. There's Nate just trying to button it down. This is... Wow. Holy.
The greenhouse is rocking.
Yeah. That's just picking it right up.
All that
Plastic, and this whole thing is...
It's still holding.
Now we got the water there. It's being held down by the truck. Oh! This is our. This is how we're heating the greenhouse. Good old barbecue. Whoa! Whoa! I just got hit in the head. Whoa! Oh! Holy smokes! I'm gonna go stand in the middle here. I was just standing by the wall and I just got kicked. Whoa! Holy smokes. We don't need to worry about turning the fans on. I think we're good. Okay. This is wow. Okay. Woo! Oh, oh, look at that, eh? Just oh God. There we are. All right. Okay. Oh. Holy fuck. Jesus. Okay, well, that's it for now.